Hi friends, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I will be analyzing Ethereum. Around March, middle of March, Ethereum found support at point 1. The point 1, it gained substantial volume from institutional traders and it bounced from the 200-day moving average, which is the red line at point 1, and it head up rapidly. Let me explain how each bar play their role on the 200-day moving average. When you look at the 200-day moving average, the first red bar that hits the 200-day moving average, it closes down on the 200-day. And the next bar, it closes towards the top of its range. And the volume is higher than the prior bar. It's also above the average volume. That is telling us that when the price of Ethereum hit the 200-day moving average, it called the attention of institutional traders and they support Ethereum with trading volume. That is why the bar closes towards the top of the range and the volume is huge. It's telling us it's a professional interest. The next bar is a blue bar. It has the highest volume around that particular zone and it closed near the top of its range. That also confirms the prior bar that the interest of institutional trader in Ethereum is increasing. Then we have the large, explosive, huge bar. The volume is high, double of the average volume, but it's not as high as the prior bar. That finally confirmed the enthusiasm of the professional traders that Ethereum is going to rise heavily. Then it has 2 up days, which Ethereum closes up, and that sends it above all major and minor moving averages, which are the 21 exponential moving average, 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. That's how the price psychology behave around 200 moving average, which is the support zone. Then let me explain what happened at point 2 at the moving average. When the price hits the green line, which is our 21 exponential moving average, the volume is on average and the price closes a little bit higher below the low of the range. It closes above the 21 EMA. That is fine because it didn't close below it. And the next bar, it confirmed the support of traders. It still have a less volume, but the bar closes up towards the top of its range and the rally resumed. Then it got to point 3. At point 3, it also stopped above the it also stopped above the 21 EMA. The bar closes above 50% of its range and the volume is on average. That shows institutional traders are pushing it, but the volume is not as much as it came in at point 1. The final it hit point 4. At point 4, the volume was less, but the price bounced above the 21-day exponential moving average. Anytime the market is in a strong rally, it always bounces above the moving averages. That's exactly what happened at point 4. The volume was less, but the price keeps going up. Then Ethereum rise and it hit high of 2141.54. That's the highest price Ethereum made before it finally starts dropping. And now it hit the latest support. The latest support is the 50-day moving average, the black line. That's our latest support. When Ethereum hit this latest support, it's finding its ground around that particular price. The closing of the price are not very far from each other, and the bar range are less, not as erratic or high as other bar range used to be. Then we finally have this outside bar. The outside bar has the largest volume, and it closed around the mid of its range. All these prices closes above the 50-day moving average. That shows that it's finding support at that zone. It's not falling beyond. And the blue bar here, it closes on the 21-day exponential moving average. As the blue bar closes on the 21-day exponential moving average, the volume is above the average volume. And the next two bars that occur, they are less bar. They are in between the prior blue bar that closes above the 21-day exponential moving average. So what I'm trying to explain here is the price behavior is telling us Ethereum is finding support around the 50-day moving average, in between the 21-day exponential moving average and the 50-day moving average. What we now need confirmation of volume. That will now be the footprint of institutional investors and professional traders. They are the ones to let us know if this support is going to hold, if it's going to find its foot and it will revert back to the upside, which will make uptrend resume on our Ethereum chart. So as we are watching now, our hope is for volume to come in, the price should rise, and Ethereum should rise above its previous resistance zone, which it marked at the previous resistance zone was marked at 2141.54. So that is the latest, that is the new price that we expect the uptrend on Ethereum to resume. So I would like you to watch Ethereum closely, keep tracking it, add it to your watch list. If this analysis really helps you, or you want more clarity, or you want to ask some questions on the analysis, you can subscribe to the channel, drop off your comment, your question in the comment section of the video, and I'll respond to you. Thank you for listening.